All right, let's take a start with Ielts speaking part 1. Do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Yes, it should definitely a lot of water.
We should drink.
We should drink a lot of water. It is good for our health,
For our body, for our
body.
health.
If do not drink water,
If we do not drink
if
water,
we not drink enough water, enough water, our body suffer and dehydration.
our body suffers and
And
dehydrates. Yes.
Dehydrates.
Very good. You're using good words. Just focus your grammatical structures as well.
Yes.
Let's go on. How often do you drink water?
I try to drink water 3 to 4 liters per day.
The question is how often, not how much. So how often do you drink water? I drink water almost 8 to 10 times a day. First of all, in the morning, like that, okay? So
Yes,
how
sir.
often means how many times?
Right.
Answer again. How often do you drink water? I drink water throughout the day. सारा दिन पानी पीता रहता हूँ, off and on, like that, okay?
I drink
So,
water, yes.
throughout the day, especially
Especially like mid of the day.
in the middle of the day.
Because very hot.
It is very hot,
Hot.
and then I drink plenty
drink
of water.
water.
Okay, that's good. Do you drink boiled water or water from water filter?
I like to boil water.
I like to drink boiled water.
I like
boiled
to drink
water.
boiled water.
Boiled
Boiled
water.
boiled water, because boiled water more benefit our
Boiled
body.
water is beneficial for our body
as compared to
as compared
as
to
compared
tap water.
Tap water.
Very good. What kind of water do you like to drink? Cold or hot?
I like to hot water.
I like to drink hot water.
I like to drink hot water because I drink cold water, I get to sore throat.
If I drink cold water,
Water,
I
get-
have sore throat.
I get sore throat.
So therefore, I
Therefore,
always prefer
prefer to
to drink hot water.
water.
This is a proper answer, okay? Speak like this.
Right, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about maps. How often do you use maps?
Well, it depends on the event. If
It
I'm-
depends on the event. Stress. Event.
It depends on the events. Well, if I am traveling to some place that I never visited, so I use map. Otherwise, I will not use it.
Otherwise, I'll not use it. Okay. So, who taught you how to use a map?
Well, as being the student of computer science, I had knowledge of map. But one of my friend,
One of my friends.
while I was traveling with him, he teaches me.
He taught me.
He taught me how to use map. To answer your questions, I start using map after my friend taught me.
Okay, or you can say I acquired map using skill from my friend. I acquired. Acquired means to achieve or to gain, right? Good. Let's go on. Do you prefer electronic map like Google Maps or paper map?
Well, electronic map is more beneficial. It tells you how much time it will going to take you to reach the destination. While on the other hand, the other map, it may chances that you will going to lose it or it get damage as well.
All right. Do you think it is difficult to use electronic map?
Well, at start or initial state for a beginner, it's maybe difficult.
It may be difficult.
It may be difficult, but after using 2 to 3 times, it will be easy.
It becomes easier.
It becomes easy.
easier. So to answer your question, it depends on the person. Initially, it can be challenging. For difficult, you can use the word challenging and all that. Overall, your answers are good, but there are few grammatical mistakes and try to add more. And for you also, focus grammar and try to add some more to your answers. And proper beginning, body of your answer and conclusion, right? Okay, thank you.